second elevator at Reunion Tower in downtown Dallas, Texas. All right, which one?
Oh, no, this one's manual. So rather than, we will have an ambassador come down.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Oh, there's a code thing there. Because you put a code in to call the elevator.
Oh, no. Those are just random.
Hold on.
Yes. Or like that, you'll just step back.
Yeah.
Let them go first. We'll take the next one.
I want to show that more in detail. That's amazing. Wow. Now, these don't do anything anymore. They're just there for decoration.
Yeah, that's correct.
That's...
Yes, just wait right there. Yes, sir.
All right, here we come to the second elevator at Reunion Tower in Dallas, Texas. And
Yes, and sandwich. Okay. So like they're not even exiting onto the journey, they're just going up straight down and straight back down.
Same cab view as the other one.
oh, this is open.
Yes.
Oh, nice. Cool.
Yep, and she'll just be the one to press the button.
Close this side now. Oh, you can see that big half oval shaped bridge up to the right.
That's I-30, I think.
Yeah, it is. This is amazing.
I agree. I love the Reunion Tower.
You see the sunset over there too.
It looks beautiful.
Absolutely, yeah. You mind if I get a picture of these buttons?
Oh, sorry.
You mind if I press? Oh, which one do I press?
The one.
I'm gonna show these.
Alright, here we are.
Oh, sorry.
It's alright.
We're gonna get off.
Okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and stop the video here just to let other people board. But thank you so much.
Yeah,
to
thank
Reunion
you.
Tower. Big thanks to Reunion Tower for allowing me to film. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. That'll be
Yep,
it.
thank you for watching. That's it.